Hey everyone! In this video, I've got an awesome recommendation for free US residential IP that actually work. Traffic starts at just $0.4 per GB, and every single one I tested is a dual ISP home broadband residential IP. Today I'm featuring FluxISP, a residential IP provider with incredibly affordable dynamic residential proxy plans. Their small starter pack is only $5, and larger plans average as low as 40 GB. Best of all, they offer free testing. I've left some test CDAK codes in the description below. Once you grab one, go to the profile icon in the top right corner to access your dashboard. On the left side, select the CDAK option, paste your code, and redeem it. You'll then see your free test credit in the dynamic residential traffic dashboard. Using them is super straightforward. First, select your target country or region. I'll be using the US for this demo. Then look for session magic. I recommend using the sticky session type. You can set how long each IP lasts, up to 120 minutes. On the right, enter how many proxy lines you want to generate, then click Create. Just copy the generated proxies. Next, open your anti-detect browser, create a new profile, and after basic setup, find the proxy settings. Set the proxy type to SOCKS 5, paste your proxies, and you're all set. Now you can launch the profile. To check quality, I tested on ipip.la. Results show dual ISP ASN and native home broadband status, with a clean, high-quality IP reputation. This is top-tier performance you can rely on for your business needs. If you need extra technical support, feel free to reach out to their live support in the bottom right corner of the official website.